Good morning, dear students. Today we learn about yes or no questions. We can say it closed questions also. Here we are talking about some questions that are answered using yes or no. Like I ask you a question, are you doing your work properly? And you answer me, yes, I am. That is known as yes no questions or closed questions. These questions always begin with a helping verb. I asked you a question, are you doing your work properly? Are you doing your work properly? Okay, are. Sentences started with are, and are is a helping verb. You know very well, are is a helping verb. So, helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. What do we say to helping verbs? Auxiliary verbs. Be, do and have are the most common auxiliary verbs, and the different form of different form of be are, is, are, am, was and were. These are the forms of be. Let's talk about some helping verbs like has and have. Has and have are used in present perfect tense in the past participle form. What is past participle form? Past participle form is third form of verb. And here are some examples also. Sometimes we can use some modal verbs also. What are modal verbs? These are also auxiliary verbs, but we specify them saying modal verbs like can, could, can and could. Could is the second form of can. May and might is the second form of may. Must, ought, should and would. These are the modal verbs. Let's see how can we use these question words. Is this your book? Is a auxiliary verb. Answer is yes, it is. Second, am I clear? Answer, no, you are not. Third, are they coming to dinner? Yes, they are. Was I rude? No, you were not. Were you afraid? Yes, I was. Has the baby fallen asleep? No, he has not. Have you packed your school bag? Yes, I have. Do I need to stay? No, you don't. Will you go anywhere this evening? No, I will stay at home. Did they fight? No, they did not. So, all these are the examples how we use helping verb or auxiliary verbs or modal verbs in framing a question, and we answer them using yes or no. These are known as yes no questions or closed questions. Hope you understand the explanation of closed questions. And these are the exercise part, first, second and third. Okay, thank you.